Welcome back, guys. It's Anos here with another upcoming play-to-earn game called Sipher. Today we'll be covering Sipher's governance token, which will have multiple use cases inside its universe and stuff you're able to do now to fast track your success in Sipheria. And I just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research before buying. Our agenda today is what is Sipher, staking with Sipher, impermanent losses, vesting period, claim period, and why you want to be investing in Sipher. And as always, please smash that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications as we'll be covering tons of play-to-earn games in 2022. What is Sipher? Sipher is the multifunctional governance token for the Sipherian universe. It would allow players to clone their characters, similar to how breeding is done in Axie Infinity. It'll be used for marketplace transactions fees, similar to Ethereum, and also give the ability to purchase special items in the Sipher laboratory. This all currently will be released sometime along 2022 and 2023. But what you currently can do right now is stake your Sipher and earn rewards, which can be used down the line. Sipher is very similar to AXS used in Axie Infinity, so we can speculate its utility to be very high, as it will be the primary premium token used for Sipher. Right now, the Sipher token is sitting around 92 cents and has a market capitalization around 44 million. Comparatively, if we use other play-to-earn games in the same space, such as Axie Infinity, we can see the market capitalization is around 5 billion, and Titan Arena has a market capitalization of around 330 million. I personally believe that is very undervalued, and we could see a big price action this year with the Sipher token. The only tokens currently available to trade are the ones bought from public sale. These were purchased at $1.10 USD for a total of 40 million tokens. These tokens can be exchanged on Uniswap and KYBER, to name a few, and are among the few that do not have a vesting period, so they are the only currently available for staking. To start staking your Sipher tokens, you'll want to head over to the Sipher homepage, select stake at the top, and you'll be given a few options to choose from. The first one is single-sided staking, and the other two are liquidity pool staking. Both are very similar as they yield an APR or annualized percentage return. However, depending on if the price changes, you may lose or gain profit based on a phenomenon called impermanent losses, which we will talk about right after. Single-sided staking provides the opportunity to retain potential price growth if the token were to go up in value, while also being able to yield tokens based on the APR. Here is an example for single-sided staking. Assuming you have purchased your Sipher token on Uniswap or KYBER, make your way back to the Sipher homepage and hit stake at the top. This will redirect you to the staking dashboard, which you will want to scroll down until you see the three options. Single-sided staking will be the first option, so you'll want to hit stake. Once you are on the next page, you'll see this screen and you'll be able to choose between flexible and locked staking. Flexible means you'll be able to take out your Sipher tokens whenever you please. And locked means your Sipher tokens will be unable to be traded or used until the lock duration expires. Now you might be asking, why do I want to lock my Sipher tokens when flexible seems like the better option? This is absolutely a fantastic question, and it would all depend on your tolerance to risk. If you were to lock it in for the full duration, you would have a higher APR. However, you would be subjected to greater price volatility, which basically means if the price were to go up or down, you wouldn't be given the option to sell. In this video, we'll be only covering KYBER Network, as the slippage rate is much better for Sipher token exchanges, which means you'll get the best price on KYBER. To stake your tokens in liquidity pools, we want to head over to the staking dashboard and click details. We want to select buy KYBER SLP or Sipher liquidity pool tokens, and this will bring us to the KYBER swap dashboard. To be able to add into liquidity pools, you will need to pair Sipher and ETH in equal value to be exchanged for SLP. Once you have exchanged your paired tokens for SLP, you'll want to hit farm at the top. From here, you want to find Sipher token pool and click on it, which should bring down a drop-down menu. You want to select max or however many tokens you want to add to the liquidity pool and then hit stake. You will notice on KYBER you will gain an additional APR in the form of KNC tokens, which is KYBER's native token. From here you want to navigate back to the Sipher homepage, scroll back down to KYBER pool and press stake. You are also given an option to select a flexible or locked-in plan, which has its respective APR as explained earlier. Once you select the amount you want to deposit, hit the stake button, and you'll be prompted to pay some gas fees. Please take note, you'll need to accept usage for the token, as well as pay gas fees for the deposits. So be cautious, as you'll be paying around 4 gas fees if you decide to stake into both staking pools. Single-sided as well as liquidity pool staking are great options. However, you do need to watch out if you are staking in liquidity pools due to an effect called impermanent losses. Impermanent losses is something anyone who provides liquidity should look into. But to quickly summarize impermanent losses, it's the loss of opportunity if you had simply just held your crypto assets instead of pooling it. For example, let's say the current value of Ether is 3,000 US and the value of Cypher is $1, and you would need to provide 6,000 to the pool. This means you would need to provide 1 Ether and 3,000 Cypher tokens to pair. If Cypher token were to increase 2 times in price, you would see that your ratios would be somewhere closer to 1 ETH and 1,500 Cypher tokens back. As you can see here, since Cypher price doubled, your money is still the same value, but you gain less Cypher back. Therefore, you would have gained much more if you simply just held on to the 1 ETH and 3,000 Cypher token. That opportunity you miss is permanent loss. Regardless whether the price goes up or down, you will incur impermanent losses if the token prices do not increase or decrease in the same percentage. What is the vesting period? A vesting period is a period of time an investor or person holding an investment such as Cypher token must wait until they are capable of fully exercising their rights on the token. This means you won't be able to use the tokens until the period has expired. Currently, the only non-vested tokens are the ones purchased from public sale, as spoken earlier, as more will be distributed based on their vesting schedule from this picture. Token vesting allows the project to secure a strong base by having their investors play long term, which will over time build a stronger community, having more active players build in the short term before enjoying the fruits of their labor. Once you have received tokens on the staking dashboard, you are able to hit claim. This will cause the tokens to start a countdown timer of 12 months before the tokens can be traded. This is all implemented to prevent whales from pumping and dumping the markets and thus driving more organic growth to Cypher over time. Why you want to invest in Cypher? Cypher is an RPG co-op dungeon crawler with MOBA PvP aspects. But best of all, it will all be owned by the players, as it will carry play-to-earn features similar to Axie Infinity and other play-to-earn games. Cypher tokens will be used for everyday transactions, and only time will tell how valuable this token will be in the future. I do want to leave a disclaimer that the team at LA as well as MTTM are heavily invested into Cypher already, along with thousands of other people who believe in the project. So please do your own research before investing, and if you do have any questions, please drop a comment below and we'll make sure to answer whenever we can. Thanks for watching, guys.